This room tips. Today I show you how to make a stacked array chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, and first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project and category and amount. Alright, and click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this and select all category and select all amount. Okay, and click on insert and click on chart type and click on this, scroll down and search stacked array chart and click on. Alright, and that's all. You create stacked array chart. Or settings, customize chart style, background font, chart border color, and this chart index style, titles, series, array opacity, or legend, or horizontal axis, car, airbag, beer, socks, PDD. Okay, and vertical axis 0, 100. Okay, and that's all. Bye bye.